Today, Cabinet agreed that visits to and from Her Majesty's prison are restricted mandatorily for a period of 30 days, with the exception of emergency situations determined by the facility to necessitate a visit, subject to advice from the Attorney General. Cabinet endorsed that all facilities that serve as residential establishments, namely the Adina Donovan Home for the Elderly, Virgin Gorda Elderly Home, Rainbow Children's Home, Safe Haven Transitional Center, and other private residential facilities, and as may be amended by the Cabinet, are advised to prohibit visits in and visits out, with the exception of emergency situations determined by the facility to necessitate a visit. Cabinet agreed that all private and public schools, preschools, daycare centers, and extracurricular activities are mandated to close with effect from Thursday, 19 March 2020 for 14 days in the first instance. Cabinet also agreed that all social gathering, including weddings and funerals, faith-based, sporting, cultural, recreational, and commercial activities, and other non-essential events are advised to restrict numbers to a limit of 30 persons at a time and a maximum of 10 people for those in vulnerable categories, with effect from Thursday, 19 March 2020 for a period of 30 days. Cabinet agreed that restaurants, bars, nightclubs, and other entertainment and hospitality services are advised to implement sanitization and social distancing measures within their establishments, as advised by the Ministry of Health and Social Development. Cabinet endorsed that the entry into the British Virgin Islands by sea or air be prohibited with effect from Thursday, 19 March 2020 for all passengers who are not nationals, belongers, work permit holders, or persons ordinarily resident in the territory or their dependents. The travel restriction will not apply to flight crews, diplomats, or freight, cargo, or courier craft or vessels. Cabinet also agreed that visitors and crew members to the BVI who are not nationals, belongers, work permit holders, or persons ordinarily resident in the territory or their dependents and permanent resident who have traveled to, from, or through countries specified on the Special Interest Group list and the Very High Risk Country list within a period of 14 days or less will not be allowed to enter the British Virgin Islands. These lists are reviewed daily, and Special Interest Group list includes China, Italy, Iran, South Korea, France, Spain, and Germany. And the Very High Risk Country list includes United States of America, United Kingdom, Switzerland, and Norway. All these decisions have been made to put you, the people of the Virgin Islands, first.